Hello, hello. So today we are doing a Dollar Tree haul, and of course Easter is next
these are a new
item that came out this year. Last year they had a different one and we put flowers on it. I did not post the video, but all I did was take the petals off just like I did in my other tutorials with the owl and the butterfly. I posted those links below, and you can do the exact same thing with this bunny and spruce it up, make his eyes a different color and get some pretty flowers to make the shape. And I put these out in front of my house with the flowers on there, and they held up. I've used them for a few years already. So he is really, really cute. They come in a couple different colors, but things are running out quickly at the Dollar Tree. I have this sign, and this would be really, really cute in a wreath, but you can remember that you can use this shape to make a template out of it. So I always like to buy things like this because you never know when you're going to need a template the shape of an egg, because it comes up and it happens and you're trying to figure out what to do. So I have like an area that has all the different shapes, including these felt ones that come out, because this would be really, really cute to make a wreath out of with flowers. And I will show you what I mean and how I do them, but I like to at least buy one because I might need this shape, whether it's to make some paper flowers or whatever I want. It's a great template because they are a little bit heavy duty. So I have that one. I thought these were super duper cute. You can put little treats in there. It doesn't matter how old they are, but you can use these for different little things if you wanted to give just a little bit of something, maybe even just some candy to the adults, or put them on the plates before dinner. I am making an Easter basket, although I never met this little cutie. She is my son's girlfriend's niece. And I always make things and send them home. Or, oh, I forgot I had my rabbit ears. Hello, happy Easter. So I got this cute little cotton candy. It says jelly bean cotton candy. I'm not sure if it tastes like that, but I'm sure it tastes like regular cotton candy. And I think she's 3 or 4 years old. So for every holiday, I make something up and I send it from my son's girlfriend so that she remembers her auntie, because she lives here in Illinois now and the little girl lives in Kentucky. So I'm going to be making that Easter basket that I keep talking about, and I'll share with you because I have an idea I think would make kind of fun. I always like to have things around in case I need them. They do have glitter, but they also have the little glitter packages. And for Easter eggs this year, what you could do is take those glue pens. They have a pen that is like writing, but it's got glue in it. And you can make different designs and sprinkle glitter on your Easter eggs, and it would be really, really cute, you know, little accent that you can do. So you color your egg and then maybe add a little heart or something on your Easter egg. So I got some of this just to have around. I got this chalk to put in that little basket that I'm talking about. They come in 6 colors. They're a nice big chunk, so it's easy for them to hold on to. I always purchase this, although I don't know why. It says Christmas House. I did pay $1 for it. It wasn't on clearance. It was in the craft section at my store by the floral. But this is what you use usually in summertime, which, like, I'm surprised with the packaging, to hold up different plants and use wiring for that. Then I got this really cute, it's a flamingo, and it hangs out in front of your house. I'll open it up and show you. I thought this was really, really cute for spring, and it's got the flamingo on it, so you can press it to make it so that it's not, you know, got the creases in it, because that's the way they're sold in the package. But these are really, really cute that say welcome. I thought I would put it out front of the house. Then these are in the party favor section, and I know that Easter is not really a party, but sometimes I like to add things to a basket that can be used all years, because let's face it, the Easter eggs after Easter will go back in storage or they go in the trash. So I thought these were really, really cute because you can add candy and things in them and the kids can use them all year long. So I thought that these were fun, and I'm going to be adding those to my Easter basket. Of course, you want to grab the cellophane that they have at the store, because these will run out quickly. They both are Easter themed, so you really can't use them for anything else other than Easter, but they do sell them, and they're usually on those pull tabs in the aisle. I thought these were super duper cute. I had bought some for a party recently. They blow up with helium really, really nicely. They do have the confetti in them. So the only thing with the confetti is you might want to... it doesn't stay the way it is on the package. It kind of like falls around, and sometimes you need to add something inside the balloon like an adhesive. I have that high float stuff because I had my store, and things will stick to it better if you have that. But they are still really, really cute. You can do something cute for your table with an Easter bunny in the center and the confetti in the center just to brighten up your Easter table. Then they had these really cute spring flowers. I thought that these were cute for the patio or the deck. They are battery operated, and these are starting to come out in the spring section. I got these little bracelets. They are in the toy section. There's so many things you can get at Dollar Tree. There are several in here, and those are going to go in my basket. They have these really, really cute little carrots. You can do your napkin with your silverware, and then you can add a little carrot to the plate just to decorate it. I thought it was fun. You can add these in wreaths, and you can even put them in the Easter baskets just to kind of spruce it up. Maybe in your bow on the front, you can make your little bow and then add a carrot in the center. These are something new that just came out. They're called Kraft Stems, but you can do all kinds of things with them. See, they made like a little furry boot there, or they made a little creature out of them. These are hanging on the pull tab in my store, and they come in several colors. I thought they were really, really cute. I had a few ideas in mind that I'll be sharing with all of you soon, but these are something that are new, and they're a long piece. It's not round like this. It's one long stem. These I purchased because this year I want to take the Dollar Tree gems and the stones, and we're going to put them in, and we're going to make a design, and we're going to pour concrete in them. And these are perfect because you can throw them out. You get 3 for $1, and you can make really cute little stepping stones. Maybe you want to do that for Mother's Day. You could put Mom in here, and she can put it in her garden. Bags of concrete are normally pretty cheap, maybe like $3, $4 at your hardware store. Just mix it up, put your things in the bottom, but you want to spray it with like some Pam or something like that so that it pops right out so you don't have any problems. But they're fun. Just keep in mind that the front of it is going to have these grooves on it because this is the way this is made. You might be able to get some flat plastic ones, but you can still make something really, really cute in here with the little stones. So I thought this was cute. These are in their beauty section. This is the first time I saw these. Do Not Disturb and Beauty Queen. Perfect for a teenager basket if you're making one. And yes, I always put a little basket together for my son and his girlfriend. So I add little things like this for her because she likes stuff like that. Flamingos are really, really big this year. These have sold out so quickly at all the stores. They are solar powered, and these are really, really popular, along with the other thing that's getting popular is pineapples. So this is a really, really cute lip gloss. I always add these to different baskets and gift things if you want to do it for Mom. But these are in the front kiosk when you walk into Dollar Tree. That is where I always check for the new items. It's right up front by the registers. Then, here is another fun little flamingo. It is a keychain, and it's got the legs and the head, and of course it's the clasp on it is not really good, but you can change that because it has a little jump ring right here. So you could change that to a more sturdy key ring, but it is a keychain, and I thought it was cute. And I do want to try, they had a few different types of flowers. We did do the video a few weeks ago where I planted my flowers. I'm still waiting for some blooms, but it is early. And I thought these were really, really cute. So I'm going to plant these this year and see if they come up next year. You don't get many in here for $1, but I think it's worth it to give it a try and see if they do bloom. Then I have these for my basket. I looked everywhere. Mine was at one store. They are the crayon. They're not lasting long. They said that they come in, and as soon as they come in, they're gone. They only had brown left at one store, so I did get 3 of these for my son's girlfriend's little niece, and I'm going to put these in too, which is like the Play-Doh. And then, last but not least, I got ping pong balls because I always use these in my wreaths if I need something for the eye. So you can use this as an eyeball, and you can even take something furry like this and you can add this for the top, for the eyelashes, something that's fluffy right at the top here for an eye. So I like to have stuff like this on hand because if I think of something, I don't have to run out and grab it. And I got these for the pool because I thought these were fun. Even if you didn't have soda in there floating around, I just thought they were a fun additive to the pool to have them floating around. And these are in the spring section at Dollar Tree. So tomorrow I am going to post my idea with a really, really cute Easter basket, although I won't be able to ship it because it's going to be too big, but I think it's a fun idea that all of you can do too. So tomorrow look for that Easter basket that I'm going to be making with some practical ideas just combined, and hopefully you'll like it enough to do it for your own children. So until then, have a great day shopping, and I will see all of you really, really soon. Bye now.